This LuckySlycyc aluminum extrusion set provides 10 long rails that are well suited for building rigid frames and motion systems for three-dimensional printers, laser engravers, and compact computer numerical control machines. The anodized black finish looks professional and adds a layer of corrosion resistance, which helps the profiles stay clean and presentable in demanding workshop environments. Because the slots follow a common European standard, it is easy to find compatible connectors, brackets, and fasteners, making expansion or modification straightforward even for complex projects. The native aluminum material is precisely machined, so carriages and wheels glide smoothly, which is important when you want accurate linear motion without binding or rough spots. Each piece is relatively lightweight for its length, so you can assemble large frames or workbenches without them becoming unwieldy, yet they still feel solid once everything is bolted together. For users who enjoy do-it-yourself builds, the ability to cut, drill, and reconfigure these rails with basic tools makes them a flexible and economical backbone for many custom designs.